So, this question asked us which words in Joe's story are in bold font. Let's move to the explanation. As you can see in the Word document, my class picnic is in bold font. So the answer has to be A, my class picnic. Okay, so this question asks us which key will move the cursor to the beginning of a new line. So let's move to the explanation. Option A, backspace, moves the cursor backwards, deleting the previous character. Option B, enter, will move the cursor to a new line. Option C, spacebar, will move the cursor forward. Option D, shift, will go to the upper character of the key which has 2 letters. So the answer has to be B. So, this question asked us which tool must Sally click onto to zoom in. Let's move to the explanation. So, option A fills a certain area that you have selected with the chosen color. Option B zooms in on the picture. Option C allows you to draw a picture with the pencil option. Option D allows you to draw a picture with the paintbrush option. So the answer has to be B. This question asked us which is the best tool to use if she wants to make the butterfly the same color as the hair. Let's move to the explanation. You can see option A will duplicate, option B will erase, option C will import text, and option D will copy the color from an object you have chosen in the picture and fill another object you have chosen with the same color. So the answer has to be D. So, this question asked us to change the formatting from maple to maple. Which section of the window did Jenny use? Let's move to the explanation. So, as you can see on the Word document, the word maple can be selected as an underline style. So the answer has to be C. This question asks us which image does not follow the sequence of actions. Let's move to the explanation. All the answers except C start with the square, triangle in the middle, and another square at the end. So the answer has to be C. Okay, so this question asks us which slides have a movie file. Let's move to the explanation. So, slide 1 has a movie file in it. Slide 2 has a sound file. Slide 3 has a sound file. And slide 4 has a movie file. So the answer has to be C, 1 and 4 only. So, in this question, it asked us where should Amber click if she wanted to send a reply to everyone who had the email. Let's move to the explanation. Reply. Only reply to the sender. In this example, Kim. Reply all. Reply to all the people in the email. Kim, Stan, Branda. Forward. Forward to another person. Team email. As you can see on my screen, team email will add a specific list of people. So the answer has to be B. So this question asked us which of these will connect to the socket marked with the X. Let's move to the explanation. Okay, so A is a DB9 serial cable, B is a USB cable, C is a RJ45 network cable, and D is a power cable. So the answer has to be C. This question asks us, which of these is true if to use a computer at school, Sally has a username and password? Let's move to the explanation. As you can see, the answer has to be D. Sally should not share her username nor password with her friends. Okay, so this question asked us, what is one advantage of saving files online? Let's move to the explanation. As you can see, we have lots of online storages such as Google Drive, Dropbox and OneDrive. So the advantage of saving files online is that they can be shared from any device with internet connection. So the answer has to be D. So this question asked us, which tool can Anne use to do this if she wanted to check her work for errors? Let's move to the explanation. So the spelling and grammar option will check if the word is spelled correctly. The thesaurus option will find a word which has a similar meaning. And the proof language option allows you to change the language. So the answer has to be A, spelling and grammar. So this question asked us, where should Steve click to view the websites he visited yesterday? Let's move to the explanation. As you can see, the arrow key on the top will go backwards one page, and the history option will allow you to see the websites you visited. So the answer has to be C, history. So this question asked us, which handle must Leonie click to turn this picture the right way? Let's move to the explanation. As you can see, option B will rotate the picture, option D will make the picture longer, option C will resize the picture, and option A will make the picture wider. So the answer has to be B. Okay, so this question asked us, which tool will help her look up words with similar meaning? Let's move to the explanation. So, as you can see on the Word document, the thesaurus option will allow you to find a word which has a similar meaning. So the answer has to be B, thesaurus. So this question asked us, in which folder will Sam find the email if he accidentally deleted an email before reading it? Let's move to the explanation. As you can see, the inbox folder is the name given to the folder where your newly delivered email messages appear. The junk mail folder or spam folder is a tool used for filtering electronic junk email out of the user's inbox. Trash folder is the place where your emails go when you delete them. Draft folder is the place where your emails go when you haven't finished them. So the answer has to be A, the trash folder. Okay, so this question is asking us, which icon must Matt click onto to reload the web page? Let's move to the explanation. As you can see, option A will reload the page. Option B will allow you to see if the page you're visiting has a secure connection or not. Option C will bookmark this page. Option B will open the menu. So the answer has to be A. So in this question, it asks us, in which cell must Mrs. Wong enter the formula equal sum B4 to B7 to show the total for Monday? Let's move to the explanation. As you can see in this spreadsheet, Miss Wong has entered total sum B4 to B7 in cell B8. So the answer has to be D, B8. This question asked us which entry in the spreadsheet is left aligned. Let's move to the explanation. As you can see in this Excel document, the word pairs is left aligned, so the answer has to be D. So this question asked us, where can Ali click to sort the data if he wants to arrange the information so that the first name appears in alphabetical order? Let's move to the explanation. So, as you can see, option A will filter out the data, option B will put the data in alphabetical order, option C will refresh the data, option D will help you to find the word. So the answer has to be B. This question asks us how many fields are in the database. Let's move to the explanation. As you can see in the spreadsheet, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. So the answer has to be C. This question asked us which file should Ben open if he saved some photographs yesterday of people playing tennis into his story. Let's move to the explanation. GIF graphics interchange format is for an image file. PPTX is a file extension in Microsoft PowerPoint. XLS is a file extension for a spreadsheet file format created by Microsoft for use with Microsoft Excel. DocX file is a Microsoft Word format document file. Doc is a document file format used by Microsoft Word earlier versions. So the answer has to be D, tennis.docx. In this question, it asks us, what was in Sam's message to Julie? Let's move to the explanation. So, as you can see, CRQ, QUI, PBTCA, MIJMP means cut to slack ropes. So the answer has to be C. So this question asks us, which formula was entered in cell D3 to work out the total cost for the pencils? Let's move to the explanation. So, as you can see in this spreadsheet, equal B3 times C3 was entered in cell D3. So the answer has to be A, equal B3 times C3. This question asked us, what did she do to the shaded shapes in picture 1 to make picture 2? Let's move to the explanation. As you can see, to make picture 1 into picture 2, they sent the shaded shapes backwards. So the answer has to be B. So, question asked us which option shows the changes that Ben wants to make. Let's move to the explanation. As you can see, to change May to June, you have to use the replace option. And to insert in the 6:30, you have to use the insert option. Also, to take out the no, you have to delete it. So the answer has to be D. Replace, insert, delete. This question asked us how did he change photo 1 to photo 2. Let's move to the explanation. So the answer has to be D. This question asked us what could be the names of the files that must be inserted at the places marked 1 and 2 on the slide. Let's move to the explanation. So, as you can see, MP3 is an audio coding format, JPEG is a file extension for a graphics file, WMF is a file extension for a graphics file also, XLS is a file extension for a spreadsheet file created by Microsoft. PDF is a document file format, portable document format. Your answer has to be C. This question asked us which option most easily allowed Julie to do this if she wants only her teacher and her class members to be able to view it. Let's move to the explanation. Option A will allow anyone to see. Option B will allow anyone with the link to see. Option C is only specific people. Option D won't let her do anything. So the answer has to be B. Anyone with the link. Okay, so this question asked us, how should the database be sorted so the game Age of Aliens is the first record? Let's move to the explanation. So, as you can see, to make Age of Aliens the first record, you have to sort the cost in ascending order. So the answer has to be C.